What's going on, North Texas barbecue addicts? In today's video, I've got some skirt steak from Six Brothers Beef Company. We're gonna grill those up. I'm gonna show you a quick marinade, a simple one, and then we're gonna build some tostadas from scratch. This is gonna be good. Y'all stick around. So we got our bowl ready to get these nice skirt steaks marinated. We're gonna put them right into the bowl. And I'm going to show you all a nice flavorful marinade when you're making some skirt steak, if you're doing it for fajitas or tacos, or like we're doing today, tostadas. I mean, check out the marbling on this skirt steak. It's beautiful. So there's plenty of ways that you can marinate skirt steak. I'm just making a quick one, but typically marinades for skirt steak or fajitas include lime, orange juice, sometimes pineapple juice, a lot of citrus. What we're going to do for our lime flavor, we're going to go in with a Dos Equis right here. This is a 24 ounce, and we just want to make sure it's all covered. And next up, like I said, some type of juice typically is involved in a marinade for skirt steak. I've got some Tropicana pulp-free orange juice. We're going to put that whole bottle in as well. And we're going to flavor it up with some Tailgater's barbecue party rub here. It's got a lot of good flavors, some dehydrated Worcestershire, obviously some salt, pepper, garlic, and lots of other different ingredients too. So put a good healthy amount of that in there. I'm going to follow that up with our Hurtado beef blend here. It's got a nice citrus flavor to it as well, so it'll go perfect. Put a healthy amount of that in there also. So we got our skirt steak submerged in our marinade. I'm going to go ahead and put some foil over this for 30 or 40 minutes, and then we'll grill it up. Alright gang, so our steak is almost fully marinated. I'm going to pour about that much charcoal and a little split of hickory in the middle. And we started out with some logs from Mckay Farms. And I've said it plenty of times, it's the best deal around where I'm at, so I'll have their information down below in the description box. And what we did is we made splits and then we put them into chunks. So I'm gonna just stack these chunks right in the middle. This is gonna be a really quick cook, so we want a direct fire right up underneath our skirt steak. So I'll have Mckay Farms information down below in the description box, as well as Six Brothers Beef, where you can get this skirt steak. I highly recommend it, guys. They just started carrying it. Let's let that go ahead and get caught, and then we'll get our grill grate on. Now that our fire is going right in the middle, that's exactly where I wanted it. We're going to get our grill grate on so we can begin heating that portion of the grate up. And I went ahead and dabbed off the fajita meat. You don't want any moisture on the outside of the meat before you go to grilling it, or else it's going to slow down your temperature and your fire from all that moisture. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on this and let that area heat up. And next time I see y'all, we're going to be flipping and grilling up that delicious skirt steak. So let's go ahead and get the lid on. This skirt steak's not going to take long at all. I went ahead and put my vent right in the middle as I could, in the center I should say, so I could get airflow to that area where I'm grilling. This isn't going to take long at all. This is a vintage Weber Kettle, so it has 3 air vents or intakes on the very bottom, so it's not the same as the kettles that everybody has typically nowadays. But we've got everything wide open, and that's what I'd say to do also. Get your top vent wide open and your bottom vents wide open for maximum airflow, so we can get some high heat and nice sear marks. Alright, so now that our grills got heated up for about 5 minutes, we're going to start grilling this up. Let's go ahead and open our lid. And now we're just going to put our skirt steak right over our heat. That's the noise we're looking for. Live fire cooking right here, guys. Man, if y'all could smell that. That fire is going to love that flavor that's marinated into this skirt steak. Going to keep it going. That's what we're looking like, guys. I'm not going to top off any more seasoning on this because you can tell it's got extra flavor in it when you opened up the lid or the foil. You can smell it. So I'm just going to keep flipping it. So we're just going to go ahead and let that go for about a minute, and then I'll catch back up with y'all when we're flipping it. So it's been about a minute now, and I want to move these around to make sure we're getting even cooking. It's smelling awesome. Heck yeah. Man. Y'all let me know how y'all build y'all's tostada. We've got some refried beans. We've got some jalapeno, some onion, some cheese. Let me show y'all what this looks like close up. It's smelling insane. We don't got much longer to go, maybe 2 minutes. Check this out. Man, that is smelling delicious. So it's been a little over a minute. Let's flip these over. Oh yeah, that's smelling insane. Again, we're just flipping these to develop even cooking. These guys are so tender. With that marinade, it is going to take a little bit longer to get that sear, so just move it and manipulate that fire that's right underneath what you're cooking. That's looking awesome. I'm going to shut the lid down for a minute and then flip it, and next time I see y'all, this will have rested. We'll cut into it and build a tostada. Alright y'all, so this has been resting for about 10 minutes and some foil. Let's see how we're looking. Oh yeah. Check out how juicy that is. Nice. We made us up some fresh tostadas with some corn tacos. Corn tortillas, I should say. So what you want to do, it's important to still cut against the grain. So what I'm going to do is with all 3 of these, I'm just going to go right down the middle. Right here. This is smelling delicious. It makes it a lot more manageable to cut against the grain on these longer pieces of meat. And then we're just going to go as thick or as thin as you want for your pieces. This is cutting like butter. I'm just going to go right down the middle again. I'll show y'all one more time. So against the grain this way. And this is going to make for a more tender bite. This could change the entire consistency of your skirt steak. Check that out. Completely juicy. Alright guys, let's build us up a tostada. Alright, so like I said, we got us some fresh tortilla tostadas right here. That's looking awesome. My buddy Matt whipped up some refried beans, so that's going to be our first layer that we go on with. And then just spread it out evenly as possible. This is a tailgate idea, guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can build it how you want to. I mean, check that out. It's already looking delicious. Alright. Next up, we're going to go in with a good, healthy amount of our skirt steak from Six Brothers Beef Company. Again, check them out. Man, this is already looking delicious. Again, you can build a tostada with anything, any kind of leftover meat you have. Give it a try. Let me know what y'all have done before. Look at that. Perfect for tailgate season, guys. And then I've got some fresh onion and some fresh diced jalapeno that I'm going to go in with. Right there. And just a couple of these jalapenos on in the mix. Because I am still going to top it off with something else, so look at that. That's where we're at so far. That looks delicious. We're almost done. The only thing we have to do left is top it off with a little bit of this pepper sauce right here from SuckleBusters. Let me show y'all this up close. Man, that looks delicious. Put a little bit on top. Check that out, guys. Beautiful. Let's give it a taste. Alright guys, just like that, if you're having a tailgate cookout and you're not sure what to make some tostadas for sure. This took about maybe 20 minutes total. Everything's fresh. You could take some shortcuts and make it even quicker. Let's go ahead and take a bite. I mean, look at that. This tostada is packed full of flavor. Again, you can build it how you want to. When you do, make sure you tag me. Appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, peace. Y'all keep on barbecuing. Cheers, y'all.